Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something every woman deserves: feeling confident, stylish and youthful at any age. If you are over 60 and have thin hair, don't worry, short hairstyles can completely transform your look. The right haircut can add volume, frame and your face beautifully and even make you look years younger. So let's explore some of the best short hairstyles that will help you shine with confidence and beat your age. First up, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. It's short, light and super easy to style, perfect for thin hair. The pixie gives your hair more lift at the crown, making it look fuller and thicker. You can go for a soft layered pixie for a feminine touch or a slightly messy one for a fun youthful look, and some side sweat bangs or light highlights and you will instantly look fresh and modern. Next we have the bob haircut, which never goes out of style. Whether it's a chin length bob, a layered bob or an angled bob, each version works beautifully for women with thin hair. A layered bob adds movement and volume, while an angled lob gives your face a smiling shape. You can also add soft waves or gentle curls to make your hair look thicker and full of life. The best part is it's easy to manage and always look elegant. If you love something trendy and low maintenance, the short shaggy cut is a great choice. It's full of layers and texture, while instantly gives thin hair a bouncy and youthful look. The tussle, slightly messy style makes it appear like you have more volume than you actually do. You can keep your natural gray shade or add soft blonde or silver highlights for an extra glow. It's stylish, carefree and perfect for women who love effortless beautifully. So ladies, those were some of the best short hairstyles for women over 60 with thin hair that truly beat your age. Remember, beauty has no number. It's all about confidence and how you feel inside. The right haircut can make you look and feel refreshed, radiation and ready to take on the world. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.